together to demand that action be taken. So if the government wants to do such measures, I think they have to go and find an appropriate place. We are willing to cooperate with the federal government on questions of national security, but do not just force it. I mean, when you talk about these areas that you want to build, you must know where you want to build. Whose land? Whether you got enough land or not. These are the questions that they have to answer. Consult with the state government, but they have not been consulted with the state government. They don't tell us anything.
So any briefing as
well? As I said, we are really nothing whatsoever. Even the projects that we request also not one approved. So if they want to build on their own, how can I answer your question? Even though we are willing to cooperate on the question of national security. So I know nothing, so how can I answer that question? I only say that we are willing to cooperate.